Hey everybody, Poor Conservative here, and we're going to do a quick mail call. Received a box from Robert Graf and Sons. Let's see what's in it. Alrighty, look at all the obligatory packing peanuts. Let me get those removed and we'll go from here. Alrighty, there's a box. And voila, Lee Classic Turret Press. And a little thing of paper that I'm hoping has my extra turret in it. Well, that was close. Yeah, I got into the reloading thing about over a year ago, and I'm now moving up from a single stage to a turret press, and we're going to see how it goes from there. And there's the press, the extra turret, the primer tube for spent primers, handle, the classic turret press instructions, and a copy of Reloading 2020. A little bag of hardware too. So that's it from the bedside of my mail call. It's hopefully going to be my new toy to take my reloading to the next level. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.